Welcome students. In this lesson, we will take how to insert furniture in AutoCAD using YQArch plugin. Let's start. Go to YQArch Commands and Furniture command. Click. These are the furniture of YQArch plugin. Choose a furniture layout from the dialog box. Apply by 2-point rectangle inside the room. Make the way you want by rounding mouse. Another time we use shortcut, type JJ. Select dinner room and insert. Living room. This is bigger one so you can make small scale. Delete this. This time we will make toilet. Click A to change the toilet elements. Select which one you want. Also, we can make kitchen. Click A in keyboard to change the kitchen type. Next tool is WCE command. This command is used to arrange the shower layout, such as shower room. Click on wall, then customize the parameters. Click on wall, then customize the parameters. Our last tool is elevation of building in one time. Select this. This command is used to create 4-side indoor elevation with multiple option in one. Customize the parameter from the dialog box. Draw out rectangle over the plan. Move to up. This is our elevation of building, only we can draw one floor. See you again.